What's going on, guys, and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Maxi Made channel. As usual, we prepared another banger with all sorts of crazy encounters scored on BIKER's camera. All the clips used in this video are for educational purposes only, and since we are working with this type of content, I hope that you guys might learn something from these clips as well. So, without any further ado, let's jump straight into this episode. BIKER was just trying to enjoy a ride on his bike, but apparently some angry Darren was not happy about it. We don't know why he was upset. Maybe it was the noise of the bike. Whatever the reason, there was no need for him to react like that. Take notes, guys. This is a potential road rage situation, and I think that we can all learn a lot from this conversation. If you put your egos to the side, any situation can be resolved peacefully. Check it out.
Schönes Teil, gell?
Echt?
Danke.
Ehrlich. Trotzdem bitte gar nicht drüber fahren und zwar aus dem einfach von der Pflastersteine rausnehmen.
Alles klar.
Obwohl ich den Reiz auch wieder verstehe.
Ja, klar.
Und dann wird es morgens gefährlich. Das ist dann meine große Bitte.
Ja, das nehme ich zur Kenntnis natürlich.
Und die Umsetzung kommt auch?
Selbstverständlich. Ja. Ja,
Das wäre aufregend.
ich bedanke mich, dass Sie so nett erklären, dann lasse ich das natürlich.
Ja, ich finde es ja auch gut.
Es kommen Leute zu mir, die schreien mich hier an und
Bitte?
es kommen auch Leute zu mir, die schreien mich an und dann reagiere ich dementsprechend auch anders da, aber ja.
Viel Spaß.
Ja, danke.
Driver in front of the biker was sitting in the outside lane way too much, and for no reason at all. Everyone behind got impatient, and you can see other vehicles starting to overtake. Biker also made sure to let the driver know how he felt. Biker is about to pull up to a lady who jumped the queue to have a word with her. This is your usual self-entitled move, and the biker, well, he made sure to make it as awkward as possible for her.
You're more important than everybody else. So are you more important than everybody else? You jump the queue, you text. You must be a very important person, eh? Hey? I can't hear you, love. Sorry, I got earplugs in. You shouldn't jump the queue, eh? Everybody else has to wait. Don't apologise to me, you should get out and apologise to those poor people. Sorry, love, I can't hear you. I'd love to be able to, but... Oh, you have a good day, eh? Please don't text. That kills people like me.
Phone users are among the leading cause of accidents on the road, and despite that, we have more and more text and drive drivers.
Oh, another red lighter. Nice! Whoa, what the
Believe it or not, but this biker caught 3 consecutive drivers texting and driving. He couldn't believe how reckless and carefree some drivers behave, as if it's completely okay for them to behave like that.
My God. Everybody. there, that's 3 in a row. 3.
Valenti, back! Valenti! Valenti! Ще ти дам една птица! Значи, братлет, ставай да минавай, що ще пукам от бой! Птица!
These guys tried to steal a bike, but they were in for a surprise. First things first, they didn't notice they were on camera, and the second surprise came when they tried to push the bike out of his yard. Check it out. In this video, you will have the opportunity to witness some crazy moves by drivers. Cutting across lanes without turn signals and checking your mirrors can be really dangerous. Please avoid these type of mistakes.
Flat the naked. Okay, so Saturday, don't cut me. Come on, bro, what the f, man? You cut me in front, man. Come on, dude. That's it.
And with this clip, we reach the end of yet another amazing episode on Maxi Made channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something from all these crazy clips. If you like this type of content, don't forget to leave a like because it really helps us grow. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe and click the bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.